Have you ever wondered what's happening beneath our feet when a volcano erupts? This is the fascinating world of volcanoes, a world that is alive, dynamic, and incredibly intriguing. A volcano is essentially an opening in the Earth's surface, often nestled within a mountain, that becomes a conduit for gas, hot magma, and ash to escape from the Earth's crust. The term volcano traces its roots back to the Romans, named after their god of fire, Vulcan. It's a fitting name, isn't it? These fiery mountains are typically found at the meeting points of tectonic plates, the interlocking sections of the Earth's surface, or over mantle plumes, super-hot areas of rock within the Earth. So whether it's a gentle bubbling of lava or a dramatic sky-filling eruption, a volcano is a remarkable reminder of our planet's fiery heart. Now that we've got a basic understanding of what a volcano is and where to find them, let's dive deeper and explore the different types of volcanoes. Did you know that not all volcanoes look alike? They come in various shapes, with the main types being composite and shield volcanoes. Composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes, are the ones you might typically picture when you think of a volcano. They're cone-shaped with steep sloping sides, formed from layers of hardened lava, volcanic ash, and rock debris. When they erupt, it's quite a spectacle, explosive and often accompanied by ash clouds. On the other hand, shield volcanoes have a different story to tell. These volcanoes are wide with gentle slopes that resemble a warrior's shield lying on the ground, hence the name. They're built over time by the slow accumulation of highly fluid lava flows. When a shield volcano erupts, it's usually a non-explosive, effusive eruption, creating rivers of lava that slowly creep across the landscape. From steep, cone-shaped composite volcanoes to wide, gently sloping shield volcanoes, each type has its unique characteristics. What's the difference between magma and lava? It's all about location. Now let's dive deeper into this fiery subject. Picture, if you will, a volcano. From deep within the Earth's crust, hot liquid rock is bubbling, churning, and pushing its way upwards. This is magma, the lifeblood of a volcano. It's a potent cocktail of molten or semi-molten rock, volatile gases, and even some crystals. But what happens when this magma finds an exit? When it breaks through the Earth's surface through a volcano, it undergoes a name change. Once it leaves the confines of the volcano, it's no longer magma, it's now called lava. Lava, whether it's explosively launching into the air or slowly creeping down a volcanic slope, is the visual spectacle we associate with volcanic eruptions. It's the same hot liquid rock, but its location changes its name. So remember, it's magma when it's inside the volcano, and lava when it escapes. Is a volcano always ready to erupt, or does it sleep sometimes? This question leads us into the fascinating life cycle of a volcano. Just like living organisms, volcanoes also have life stages and are classified as active, dormant, or extinct. An active volcano is one that's regularly waking up the neighborhood with its fiery temperament. It frequently erupts, releasing magma and gases. Mount Etna in Sicily is a perfect example of an active volcano, with its regular displays of lava fountains and ash clouds. A dormant volcano, on the other hand, is the quiet one at the party. It hasn't erupted in a while, but it's not extinct. It's just taking a long nap. Mount Fuji in Japan is a well-known dormant volcano, having last erupted in the early 18th century. Lastly, we have extinct volcanoes. These are the ancient ones. They've been quiet for so long that it's highly unlikely they'll ever erupt again. Edinburgh's Arthur's Seat is an example of an extinct volcano. So, a volcano's life isn't just about eruptions, it can also have long periods of silence. Volcanoes, destructive forces, or creators of life? This question often stirs up a storm of opinions, and rightfully so. The risks associated with volcanoes are not to be underestimated. The wrath of an erupting volcano can unleash a host of devastating events, from tsunamis and flash floods to earthquakes, mudflows, and rockfalls. The hot, dangerous gases, ash, lava, and rock they spew are powerfully destructive, wreaking havoc on anything in their path. Yet amid this turmoil, there lies a silver lining. The destructive power of volcanoes also has the ability to create. The intense heat and pressure under the Earth's crust can give birth to rich soil, perfect for farming and vegetation. This nutrient-dense soil is a result of the volcanic ash and rock that break down over time, providing the ground with a wealth of minerals. In addition to fertile soil, volcanoes also contribute to the creation of new land. When lava flows into the sea, it cools down rapidly and solidifies, gradually building up over time to form new land masses. We can see this phenomenon in action in places like Hawaii, where volcanic activity has contributed significantly to the island chain's growth. Furthermore, The eruptions bring valuable mineral resources to the surface, contributing to the wealth of nations and fueling economies around the globe. Despite their potential for destruction, volcanoes play a crucial role in shaping our world. Their dual nature as both destroyers and creators makes them a fascinating subject of study and a testament to the powerful forces of nature. Think volcanoes are only found on Earth? Think again. Volcanoes are not just terrestrial phenomena, they're a cosmic spectacle too. But before we go interstellar, let's talk about some of the most famous ones right here on our home planet. First off, we have Mauna Loa in Hawaii, the world's largest active volcano. This giant has been erupting for at least 700,000 years, and it's still going strong. Its sheer size and activity make it a must-see for any geology enthusiast. Then there's Mount Vesuvius in Italy, notorious for the destruction and burial of the ancient town of Pompeii in AD 79. Its deadly eruption froze a moment in time, preserving the town and its inhabitants, providing us with a hauntingly beautiful archaeological site. Now, buckle up as we leave the confines of Earth and venture into the vast expanse of our solar system. Did you know that volcanoes exist on other celestial bodies too? Mars, for example, is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. Standing at a dizzying height of 13 miles, it's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's tallest mountain. So, whether it's here on Earth or far off on Mars, volcanoes are an awe-inspiring part of our universe. They're testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of planetary bodies, constantly reshaping and redefining landscapes, both familiar and alien.